Hello everyone and welcome to the AI Academy. In this course we are going to learn about programming with generative AI. This course is designed for the new age of coding, where humans and AI work together to build amazing things. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a bit of coding experience, this course is your gateway to understand how to think like a programmer and collaborate with AI tools like ChatGPT to write, review, and improve code. We'll start with the basics using Python, then explore how generative AI can help you code smarter and faster. You'll also learn how to test, debug, and even switch between programming languages like Python and C. If you're curious about how AI is changing the way we write code and want to stay ahead in the tech world, this course is made for you. If you're wondering why you should join this course on programming with generative AI, then let me break it down for you in a way that's super easy to understand. First, it's in demand, the industry needs it. Companies everywhere are now using generative AI tools, like ChatGPT and others, to help write code. According to recent reports from NASCOM, this is quickly going to become the new normal in tech. So, if you want to stay relevant and job-ready in AI world, learning how to work with AI while programming is a smart move. Second, programming is changing and so are the skills you need. Earlier, we used to focus a lot on memorizing code and learning syntax. But now with AI helping out, the focus is shifting. Now, what matters more is that, can you understand the task clearly? Can you ask the right questions when things are unclear? Can you spot mistakes or improve the code that AI writes? This course will help you build these modern skills. Third, it's easy to start, but can take you far. Even if you've never written a single line of code, don't worry about it. We'll start with the basics using Python, a simple and popular programming language. And if you already know Python, it will be great. We'll also show you how to go deeper, solve real problems, and explore advanced ideas. Think of it like a course with a low entry point but with a high ceiling, perfect for beginners, and still exciting for those with experience. Fourth, built on real research, not just another coding tutorial. This course isn't just thrown together. It's based on real research done by computer science educators to answer a big question. How should we teach programming now given that AI can write code too? We've designed every part of this course to help you understand, question, and collaborate with generative AI like a real programmer in today's world. In short, if you want to learn how to think, code, and grow in the age of AI, this course is made for you. Are you ready to start? Let's do this together. Let's now talk about what will you learn in this course. First, we will learn to break down real-world problems. You'll learn how to look at messy, real-life tasks and figure out how to solve them step by step. Instead of getting stuck, you'll know how to break a big problem into smaller, manageable parts, like solving a puzzle one piece at a time. Second, you collaborate with AI, not just use it. This isn't just about typing stuff into ChatGPT and copying code. You'll learn how to work with AI like a teammate, give it better instructions, ask follow-up questions, and get it to do exactly what you need. It's like learning how to talk to a really smart assistant and guide it properly. Third is code critiquing, meaning don't just accept AI code, review it. AI can write code, but it may not be perfect. You'll learn how to read, understand, and double-check the code it gives you. Does it do what you want? Can it be improved? Is it even correct? You'll get good at spotting mistakes and making the code better. Fourth, we will start with Python, then we try something new. We'll begin with Python, which is easy and beginner-friendly. But once you get the hang of it, we'll explore another language too, C. Why this? Because learning more than one language shows you how different tools work and gives you a wider skill set for your career. In a nutshell, this course is all about learning how to think like a programmer, collaborate with AI, and build real coding confidence, no matter where you start. This will be your 10-week journey and what you'll learn each week. Let's go week by week and see what cool things you'll be learning. In the week 1, we will get to know about generative AI in programming. We'll start by understanding why AI is so good at coding and how it works behind the scenes. You'll learn how to write clear prompts and break problems into smaller steps so the AI can actually help you better. In week 2, we will learn the Python basics, so if you have never coded before, no worries. This week is all about the basics of Python, things like data types, variables, and how to write simple expressions. In week 3, we will learn to write some functions. We'll learn how to write our own Python functions, like converting temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. You'll also explore what makes a function well designed, adding descriptions, called docstrings, hints about inputs and outputs, and learning how to test and fix them if something goes wrong. Week 4, we will discuss about breaking down big problems. Here's where it gets real. We'll practice decomposing big tasks into smaller pieces. You'll also learn how to create helper functions, and yes, we'll use AI to help with the easier parts. In the week 5, we will learn about the concept called recursion. Ever heard of a function that calls itself? That's recursion. It sounds tricky, but we'll explain it step by step and show how it helps solve certain problems beautifully. In week 6, we will learn about making decisions in code. Now we will dive into control structures, that means writing code that makes decisions, like if-else, repeats things, loops, and handles unexpected errors, exceptions. Week 7, we will learn about testing our code like a pro. This week is about making sure your code works exactly as it should. You'll learn how to write good test cases and how asking the right questions about the problem helps avoid bugs later. In the week 8, we will learn a new language with AI, hello, C. Ready for something new? We'll jump into the C programming language and see how it's different from Python. You'll also see how Gen AI can help you learn a new language faster. In week 9, we will understand how Python really works, under the hood. Ever wondered how Python does its magic behind the scenes? We'll look at things like Python lists and see how they work in C, which helps us understand Python better. In week 10, make your code run faster. Let's wrap up with a look at performance, how to make your code faster and smarter. We'll introduce tools called profilers, and teach you some tips to write optimized, high-performance code, with and without AI. By the end of 10th week, you won't just know how to code, you'll know how to think, break problems down, team up with AI, and build smart, efficient programs. You'll also be comfortable picking up new languages and tools in the future. By the end of this course, you'll not just know how to code, but you'll have some really powerful and practical skills that will help you in real-world projects and jobs. Let's look at them one by one. Prompt engineering, talking to AI the right way. You'll learn how to ask better questions and give clear instructions to AI tools like ChatGPT. That means getting the right answer faster, whether you're writing code or solving a tricky problem. It's like learning how to talk to a super smart assistant, but in a language it understands best. We will teamwork with AI, not just copy-paste. We're not just using AI, we're working with it. You'll practice how to guide AI, improve its responses, and handle situations where it gives incorrect or incomplete code. Think of it like a tech team, you and AI building great things together. Improving code quality. Good code isn't just about making it work, it's about making it clean, understandable, and reliable. You'll learn how to spot problems, add helpful comments, called docstrings, give type hints, and make your code better and more professional. Language flexibility, Python today, C tomorrow. You'll start with Python, but then we'll also explore C. Why this? Because once you know how to think like a programmer, picking up a new language becomes easier. You'll learn how to switch between languages and adapt fast, which is super useful in tech jobs. Testing and debugging, make sure it actually works. Writing code is just half of the job. You'll also learn how to test your code, find mistakes, bugs, and fix them step by step. This gives you confidence that your program does exactly what it's supposed to. These skills will make you more than just a coder, they'll make you a modern, AI-savvy problem solver. Ready to build these superpowers? Let's begin. In summary, you will understand what makes generative AI so powerful for programming tasks. Learn Python from scratch, from variables and functions to loops and error handling. Discover how to break down complex problems into smaller tasks. Write and evaluate code with AI's help, not just use it, but guide it. Learn the art of prompt engineering and asking smart, clarifying questions. Practice writing test cases and debugging code like a pro. Get introduced to the C programming language, and learn how it compares to Python. Understand how Python works under the hood by looking at its C code internals. Wrap it up with tips on writing high-performance code and using tools like profilers. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to collaborate effectively with AI. Write clean, efficient code. Test and debug like a developer. Confidently explore new programming languages in the future. In short, you'll become a modern-day programmer who knows how to work with AI, not compete against it. Let's begin this exciting journey together. If you found this session helpful and you're enjoying the course on programming with generative AI, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We've got more exciting lectures and practical tips coming your way real soon. Let's keep learning and growing together. See you in the next video.